let's rub some nostalgia together, bro.
You're right. That's old iron there.
Yeah.
That's fun.
And you know, I heard you say, yes, we do 12 valves.
Mm-hmm.
Do we do a lot of them? No.
No, I haven't seen one in here since I started, I don't think.
No.
That's cool. I
But
built quite a few of those over the years. They're fun.
They're just a simple motor,
Yeah.
well built. Me and Miles, I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to tear it down with him.
Okay. Yeah.
And just kind of do a video because like a father-son. I'm getting old, dude.
There you go.
There might not be a lot of left. Listen, dude, there's an old 12 valve. Did you guys take in a 12 valve?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's nasty.
It is nasty. It's a nasty old, what'd it come out of? Some old work farm truck thing or something?
A 96 Dodge truck.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, guess what?
Guy.
Might as well break the news to you now. I'm adding to your workload. Yeah.
All right.
I'm adding to your workload.
Okay.
Let's me and you tear that down and just do a video of it and stuff so
Oh,
that my
cool.
grandkids someday can see you working on old iron
Okay.
with me because that'll take you back. I know me and you've done a lot of them.
People are giving me crap anyway about my hands being so clean.
Yeah,
so
me too, but-
let's get them dirty.
Okay.
This particular guy I know so it's a 96 truck from Montana, 290,000 miles on it. And the guy brought it in because he was concerned about blow-bys. So
Yeah.
we told him to, just bring it as close to a long
Long
block
block.
as possible. He was toying around with the idea of having us do the installation towards the end, but for now, just to build the engine and start with that,
Oh, so he'd bring the truck down from Montana?
possibly.
Oh.
Yeah,
Is it a nice old truck? Have you seen a picture of it?
I personally haven't.
Oh, that'd be cool, though, Might be
So-
a really nice one.
Yeah,
Okay, cool. Let's tear a motor down. Let's do it.
let's do it.
You want to do it all together? I mean, you want to do all the machine work together? Now look at him. He's stressing. He's stressing.
No. Some of those machines I just haven't worked
Well,
on.
either do I.
I'm used to the old
I know.
Sun green machines. that
Let's
we
be
had.
honest about it. The guy's got muscle memories that go out, do that day in and day out.
Yeah.
And that muscle memory is long gone from me. I can tell you that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Let the amateurs get to work here.
Oh my gosh. Okay, then that's.
If you guys need help, that's
Yeah. The roles are switched.
If you want to just tear this down right here before we wash it, I guess we could just yank the head off of it. Let's just do that.
Okay.
Whoa, that's good. Pull it that way. Back on the tire. Thank you. Give me a big pry bar. Biggest one you got. Whoop.
Oh, there she goes.
That's some nasty stuff in his cooling system. Look
Yeah.
at all this garbage here.
Yeah,
Like
it's a look at that gummy buildup.
That's
right.
like a stop leak or something. So make sure we advise him he's got to replace the radiator and probably the heater core because that is just
Yeah,
icky.
look at that.
Yeah. It's all built up on that. I don't see a blown head gasket though.
Well, it looks like it's been sitting for a while. Did he say it'd been sitting for a while?
I don't have that note or the detail, so I'm not sure.
Put a pry bar on it. Let's turn it over a little bit. Is this thing... So I never even looked. Does this thing have the oil pan on it?
No.
Yeah, okay. You might be hitting the crank. Okay, that's good enough. Huh. Gosh, I tell you, by looking at this thing, he said it had blow-by, huh?
Yeah.
I guess we'll have to see if the rings are froze up or something, because, well, the cylinder walls don't look that bad. I mean, for 290?
Yeah, I
Something
think
like that?
He said 291,000.
Wow. I'm tempted to just go ahead and throw it in the washer the way it is.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and do that.
Just stand it up.
Yeah. Up. Come on. That's good. Move this thing out of the way.
This is an old nasty 12 valve Cummins. Look at it, just caked. We're gonna wash it, bake it, and then blast it and show you the amazing difference and show the real beauty of what a 12 valve looks like. This will be a real test on how this cleaner works, dude, because this is...
I got confidence.
Mikkel's got confidence. Jeez. Wow.
One hour later.
Oh, we can see you can see the bolt heads now. Actually, an engine in there.
Holy cow. Did pretty darn good, actually.
Well, the motors, you can see the writing on the pistons are still standard pistons. So. Okay, take it up a little bit. Easy. Let's push it over here this way. Put it back on that cart. Do you remember when we put in this crane? This is my first jib crane in here. Okay, all the way down, big guy. Go, go, go.
I remember these baskets. We would sit in these baskets.
I think I know I have a picture of that somewhere. That's good.
It's somewhere. We would sit in these baskets and we would lift each other up as brothers.
And then you push them back and forth. Crazy kid. I bet I have a picture of that. I'll have to.
I know it's somewhere.
Thing's toasty.
Well, I bet this thing was leaking. As they all do.
Hold that. All right, now.
Yeah, it's way hot.
Now we got the oil crap off of it. It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Oil pump. Looks okay. Not terrible. Don't worry, Dad. I got it.
You seen the top of that yet?
Yeah, I got the top of it. Whoa.
Gosh, that looked like a pain in the ass coming out of
Freaking
it.
hot as crap. This is the biggest one we got in this box.
That you just push right out of there, man. Turn the crank. This way. Easy. Turn it. Okay, thank you. Stop. Ready?
Yep.
Jeez.
That one came out.
I think we just got pinched, that's all. Okay, let's turn the crank. Come on. Keep going. Ready?
Yep.
A little more. Whoop, good. I hit something. Why did it lock up?
I don't know.
Am I hitting?
No, you're not hitting anything on this end. I can't tell if it's just carbon buildup or if that edge of the piston is all clipped. The last one may be our issue one. You're hitting something solid. Knocked back.
That's weird.
Okay.
Let's just pull a crank out of it.
Okay.
I've washed it, so it's, but you know, there's no dirt. There's no, these bearings look.
Yeah, I mean the rod bearings had a little bit of just wear on that.
Yeah, I mean this is where
That's just where it takes.
This is
most
where
of
I
the
was
force.
beating on it here. You can see my scratching on it. Okay, lift it up. Easy. That's good. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Great.
There you go, sir.
Let's knock that piston back this way and let's see what it's doing.
You want me to keep going?
No, I just want to see. Oh, there's a nasty ridge right there. That's what it is, dude. It's just a freaking...
Holy cow! Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder.
That's the piston that's got blow by. Yeah. See this ridge here? Holy smoke.
Yeah,
That's what it's hitting. See, there's no ridge here. Something, that's the piston. We're going to find out. Something's going to be broken ring or something. There it goes. Keep coming. Whoa. Yeah, that keystone ring land is totally wore out. Just put a 24. Oh. Let's see this one.
Is that oil rings? Cracked,
I'm more concerned. I think that's what we're trying to figure out why that cylinder has. Yeah, see how much. Okay, that's a 24 thou feeler gauge, and the ring is installed in the same height. And I mean, look, it's got a ton of clearance in here. That's where his blow by was. This cylinder wore itself out. This here, there's a big ridge right on that cylinder, and if you look at all the other cylinders, there's not. But other than that, though, this motor, it did pretty dang good. I mean, the cam journals look good. We'll get these tappets out of here now that we've got the crank out of the way. How could he have avoided that? That's the question that people will want to ask, you know, because he had, what, 290,000 miles on an old 12 valve, which
Right.
is like, got your money's worth. From what I can see, probably, you know, as nasty as the oil was in it, maybe not as frequent oil changes as you needed, and you were building up too much soot in the oil, and the keystone ring couldn't handle the dirt. Because that
It was
ring
just getting beat up because of
Yeah.
excessive carbon buildup.
well, too much soot in the
Yeah.
oil. I wanted to show you the piston pin squirters on this. It's a piece of plastic that actually, this is plastic that comes up here and squirts on the back side of the piston. We might want to look at that real quick and see if that oil squirter has got a plug, if it's plugged up. Yeah, see my light coming up through that hole? So that's not, it wasn't plugged. That's not the problem. And then let's look at the cylinder head real quick.
So this is the cylinder.
You can see there's injector tips here that are still in the motor. This valve here is getting ready to burn, I'll tell you that right now.
Just because you're
Yeah,
seeing
this one too,
this
yes.
discoloration.
Right, that's a valve waiting to burn. This one's doing the same thing. Now we'll let the professionals do their work. What do you say?
We did all right. We were a little rusty.
We were a little rusty, but we'll let the professionals do the work, and I'm sure we'll have a nice video on it.
So what's the next step after this?
Well, for me to wash my hands and have lunch,
Okay.
and then after that, I think
That's the immediate.
let's let the professionals back in on this. It was fun. I'm glad we did this, and call the guy and give him the news of like why he had the blow by. Number 3, the ring bound up and chewed up the cylinder wall.
Then we'll bake it. We'll
Yeah.
thoroughly crack check it and magnaflux
Flux
it.
it, yeah. Oven bake and shot blast to get it all prepped and orders parts.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Sweet.
Thanks, everybody.